Hello, it's me again with more of me cleaning up a milling machine vise. Yeah, I'm gonna put my safety gear on and I'm gonna show you me cleaning this vise up. I don't know, some people like this stuff. This is the kind of videos I like. I like watching people clean. I don't like high speed dubbing and all that crap. I like when somebody takes a tool and you actually see them do it instead of, oh yeah, I just watched a high speed 30-second video of an hour long process. I'd rather watch the whole process instead of, oh yeah, high speed all the way. That's why I watch Steve Summers videos. Steve Summers, he's another YouTuber. Yeah, he's been working on his shop, and he puts out 40-minute videos. And if you ever watch this, Steve, I like your videos. They're really good. I think everybody I know thinks most of the videos I watch are boring, but I think they're cool because you see his whole process. And he has squirrels. I got 2 squirrels, but I'd rather eat them than have them as pets. So leave it at that. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this paint off here. Oh, hold on. Got the glasses. Can't work without reading glasses. Fun getting old, they say. This thing just eats paint. If it's on metal and there's paint on it, it'll rip it right off. I love it. It's a hard part. See this? Hot. Wrong. I got most of it. So that's not perfect, but was like, tuck in. Yeah, see this thing, like this. Like this. So anyway, if you're still watching, I got one of these suckers in my arm. Ouch. My shirt too. If you're still watching, I'll show you the results. You look at it, that thing strips it pretty good. I mean, I got a few spots I'll do off of camera and stuff, but it doesn't get all the spots, but it gets a pretty good thing on it. I don't need it perfect, I just want it decent enough so it's gonna get nice and clean. I'll clean it up and then I think that's it really. Clean up a bunch of rails and that's pretty much it. And then I'll prime it and paint it. So thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, and tell everybody in your whole entire internet world that you found a new channel to watch and I'm making cool videos. Thanks. Bye.